if I'm working in multiple niches, and then the niches that are specified are meditation instruction, cooking downloads, and women's confidence coaching. Is there any way to use my Paperbell site to offer a package in each, or would I have to build different sites? So, I mean, on a technical standpoint, you can put all three of these niches on your website. There's nothing stopping you from doing it. However, it's going to be really difficult to market and attract an audience for all three of these people using the same website. I mean, it is. I mean, I'm trying to see a thread that kind of connects all of them because there are websites and companies that work in a bunch of different industries, but they are huge. They are not a one person operation. And so typically they start with one thing. Like, for example, Amazon, hate them or love them, they're huge right now and they kind of sell anything, but it didn't start out that way. It used to be mostly, books and CDs and DVDs and things like that. And that's kind of how they got known. But then they grew and started to offer everything. And so, don't try to be Amazon today. Try to be Amazon in the 90s. And even then, they had a huge team. So,
Hmm.
you can't really start off with doing everything. So I would focus on doing one of these things or trying to manage three websites with these three different niches, which might be difficult, but some people can have a lot on their plate, but it is going to be harder to market if you put everything on that website.